Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to log out of Element Messenger step by step. Signing out of your account is a good idea when you're using a shared device or simply want to keep your Matrix account secure. So let's get started. First, open the Element Messenger app on your computer or mobile device and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to log out of. Wait a few moments for any pending messages or file uploads to finish syncing before continuing. Next, click or tap your profile icon in the top corner of the app to open the account menu. Depending on your device and app version, you may need to open the settings menu first to access your account options. Now, scroll down until you find the sign out or log out option. Click or tap it, then confirm your choice if Element asks you to verify that you want to sign out. The app will remove your active session from that device and return you to the sign-in screen. If you're logging out because you're switching devices, you can sign back in any time using your Matrix ID, home server, and password. For accounts with end-to-end encryption, you may also need to verify the new session or restore your encryption keys after signing back in. Finally, if you're using a public or shared computer, close the app completely after signing out to help protect your account and personal conversations. And that's it. You now know how to log out of Element Messenger safely and keep your Matrix account secure on any device. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next